इतना दुखी गाना यार कोई मार के है क्या? Hello everybody. How is everyone doing today? Salam, morning. Salam sir, Jibrail, Walaikum salam, morning. Ashweb, how are you? Dinah, hello. Dinah. Vainak, Vainak. What do you mean? No muy bien. What? Sharia Khan. Okay. Howdy, hey, Katranova. Howdy. Who's here in the chat, guys? Say hi in the chat. Let's see who's here. Mark, great. All right, great. You? I'm good, man. I'm good. That was a nasty drop in the goal in NY session. Yes, bro. Okay, Kamil here. Wajid bhai. Assalamu alaikum, Wajid bhai. What's up? Himati, what's up? Teza the firefighter. Sleepy. Shoaib, why you sleepy, man? Come on. Time to wake up. What's up, bro? Asif, how you doing, man? No more volleyball game tonight? Hi. Kaluro. Hi. Hello. All right. So what's the update with the previous session or previous day? Look at this daily closure. A nasty daily closure. And weekly flipped. I told you so. Once this weekly starts flipping, most likely the price is going to drop. And once this weekly, I mean, it still need 3 more days to close, it starts pushing down, for example, in upcoming days, and this weekly gives a nice closure below the previous one, something like this. Let's say even if the price close at this point, I'm talking about the weekly. Yes, next 2 3 weeks we might see a nice drop, clean range on the left, price can continue pushing it down. The other thing is daily. If we come at the daily, the previous daily closure, that's a big nice drop. If you see what's, stay tuned. Hello, hi, Islam, how do you do? I'm good. Wajid bhai, how was your giveaway? Did you get it or no? All right, so if we see what was happening past few days, 1 2 3 4 5 6 right? Past 6 days the price was ranging in this zone. And if you see this current, I mean the previous daily closure, it literally take out all these previous 6 days, give a very big push towards downside. Now can we say if the market change from bullish side now back in the bearish? Chat, if you can answer in the chat, I would really appreciate it. I want to know if you're on the same page or no. Super clean weekly. Yeah, super duper clean. Of course, not with your prayers. Don't worry, Vajit bhai, you'll get it here. Don't worry. Okay. Yes, okay. Yes, weekly range. Weekly range? What you mean weekly range? Oh, you mean the clean candle, or you mean like the weekly is gonna range at this point? No, it's not bearish. Okay. Rick is saying it's not bearish. Anybody else think it's not bearish? Anybody wants to explain why the price dropped from here? Oh, look who's here. Who is here? Because the weekly is also bearish. Okay. Meow. What were you doing? Okay, that's good. Yeah. Did, did you stop going to your boxing classes? Mm. Okay. All right. So what you think about the price now? Back up. Yeah. How? You wanna? I mean, what you're seeing right now? I'm at the 4 hour chart. Mm. Okay. The FVG. Yeah, sounds like a good worker. Yeah. Break structure on the daily, but still bullish. Okay. Mr. S future trading, why you saying it's still bullish? And if it break the structure, why it's still bullish? Do you want to explain? Right now, I'm at the 4 hour chart, right? So if you see this 4 hour, the full scenario here, what happened? The price push up here, range, then push up, then come down, range, then push up, then come down, range, then what? Mostly. Yes, it's a good M. Mhm. It won't push up. Loads up, it won't push up. Okay. Yes, it won't push up if it starts breaking this lows, which is 4380s. After that, we have very clean range for taking those sell side around 6 700 ticks. But it needs to give a closure below the zone for taking those cells, what you're talking about. Yes, Mr. AMF. What's up? Good, good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. But if the price is, mm-hmm. Yeah. No, you carry on, carry on. You mean 4,000? 14, 40. Okay. Are you talking about this candle, the weekly? Because this was the one which okay, so this was the which push up the one single candle, and then it starts dropping back again. So it was the, yeah, this is the weekly. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. But the weekly didn't break the previous weekly, which previous weekly lows. Hmm. So at that point, what you gonna say? Yeah. If this weekly gives a closure, which Spark was saying that if it gives a closure below the previous weekly or at least this daily, then most likely we can expect another drop from here as well. Yeah. But until then, we can still look for buys if we come out to the 4 hour time frame, which previously one time, two time, now probably the third time the price is gonna respect the zone, which is around this one. Okay, and then it's gonna starts pushing up, which it looks like it's already did though. Hmm. And so far the price, what, 180, 90 ticks up from that point though. And remember, we are talking the bigger time frame. We're talking about the 4 hour, we're talking about the daily, we're talking about the weekly. But for taking the entries, we need to look for the lower time frames. 4364. Yeah, this one. Yep. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. And mm, yeah, but the good thing about yeah, absolutely. Once it breaks it, we have the clean range on the left. Most likely, we're gonna see the clean range on the right. Same with the upside. We have, the price drop, yes, with a very volatile way. The price can still go up, back up, break high. Once we clear out this, prices keep rejecting this 4500 zone, 4490s, 4500. once we see a nice push up, like it literally, how many, one, two, three, four big candles, 4 hour, four big candles. It basically dropped from around 44.90s all the way 43.90s. That's 1000 ticks. That's a lot of money moved in these sessions. But the mm, this one, right? But you remember what happened? Price push up. No, first it dropped, then it push up, and then once we end the live, it just keep continue fall. Mm, market played really well. Very strange. Yes, very strange. Hmm. Yeah, the London was, it was Shopee. We have some expert in the call. Let's see, Mr. Kenny. Yes, Mr. Kenny, what's up? I'm good, brother. What's up? Mr. Liquidity Sweep and Smart Money, what's up? Ah, I just go. The Smart Money trader is gone. Ah, maybe he joined later. It's gonna come, it's gonna like, this is the liquidity sweep. Now the price is gonna go up. No. Smart money concept is saying it's gonna go up. Hi, Anna. Short continuation, but first need to take ITL. Mr. J, what is ITL? You wanna explain? We just have to wait, right, sir? Yes. What's ITL? Anybody in the chat know what is ITL? Let's guess. He's saying, okay, okay. He said in internal liquidity. Internal liquidity. That's what it said. Some genius on the YouTube. Man, how do you know internal liquidity and external liquidity? You wanna explain a little bit? Because I'm not that smart to understand that. So please, I would really appreciate your help. Really? Mr. J, are you still in the chat? You want to explain a little bit more? I'm happy to invite you on the call if you want to join. प्रदीप भाई, पाजी, प्रदीप भाई चले ने भाई, is going. Hmm. This is a decision making right now. Either the price is going to reject this zone and then boom starts pushing up back, or it's going to keep continue pushing it down. If it gives a nice closure below this zone breaking this lows, man, it's going to be a further drop in the price. Hello everyone, hey, what's up? Oh, let's up. External previous high lows, internal FVG OB. Here he explained the internal liquidity. So the external is previous highs and lows, and internal is FVG and overbought. Understood, Mr. Spar? Yeah. Hmm. If this 4 hour flip towards downside, bearish, that's going to be 100 tick stop loss. And on the flip of that, what, 150 breaking these lows. So Kitty, you understand what's ITL now? Hmm. Yeah. Yes, absolutely right.
Sure do. think that's a good buy.
Mm, yeah, me too. Yeah, right now all we need to wait for that lower wick, and then on the flip of this 30, I'm gonna get in the buys. Mr. Hugos wants to come on the call. Let's see.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody.
Yes, good afternoon.
How's it going?
Good, good. What's up?
I'm trying to learn your strategy, but I'm still struggling with it. So I don't know exactly how you can explain that to me.
I've never seen you in here before.
What you said?
Oh, nothing. I was talking to myself.
Oh, okay.
Don't you worry, buddy.
So how long you been coming to this live?
It's been a long time. It's got a month up there. I spoke to you before. This is not the first time.
No, you never spoke to me before.
I do.
Do
I
you
got
come
you.
with a different account?
What you said?
Did you come with a different account?
No, no, I don't do that. I don't have time for that, buddy.
Okay,
I even sent you a customer. Yeah, I have one person who was, she has a VIP with you right now. I don't need to say her name, but
okay, all right. So what are you struggling with?
I don't
Hey.
know. You gotta show me exactly what you.
Hmm. All right,
You
now
want
the
him to. Oh, sorry.
yeah, now
They can't talk.
now the
I would
30
like to
is
listen to
pushing
you too,
down.
guys. What you said?
Yeah, so what are you struggling with?
I'm trying to learn your strategy. If it's work, I might get in.
Hmm. No, it didn't work, man.
It's not working.
No, it didn't work.
Oh, why you wasting your time?
You're wasting your time coming to
No,
my
no,
live.
no, 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 no. I don't say that. I said I'm trying to learn your strategy. If it's work, I will get in. And then you said it's not working. I said, why you wasting your time?
Because I like to. I have nothing else to
Oh,
do.
okay, buddy.
Are you in the restroom?
Me? No.
Okay. Yeah, so my strategy is simple, man. I don't know how long have you been coming here, but we don't use any indicator, nothing like that. Just wait for those confirmations, wait for the candle closures, wait for those flips. I mean, we've
Okay.
been trading the same exact way for a long time. Like,
Okay.
yeah. So, what difficulty you're having right now? Are you?
My difficulty sometimes is when I put the line exactly.
Mhm.
Like I use the same strategy you use.
Okay.
But for some reason, when I'm sometimes I don't have a heart to wait until the candle to give me signal. So I already check my candle,
Okay.
the 4 hours
One
candle.
one second, one second. So this 30, once it starts flipping, I'm gonna get into those buys. Okay. I'm taking these buys, looking for price to push up, gonna place the stops. So wherever you're comfortable, you can place your stops at the below the zone. You can place at the
Okay,
current 30, wherever you wanna place it. Okay.
makes
I'm
sense.
getting into these buys.
I agree.
All right. So
But I
yeah.
thought you're gonna wait until 4 hours, next 4 hours to get in.
Okay. All right. So yeah. So you're struggling with the waiting for the closures. What's your?
Yeah, for the 4 hour. But I thought you was on 4 hours time frame. So, but you're not in 4 hours, right? You
I'm
are in
right
30
now.
minutes, right?
Right now. I'm at the 30. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let
Yeah.
me
4 hour.
see.
You can wait for the 4 hour, but at that point you're probably gonna miss some setups as well.
I got you, buddy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. So we don't stay on the same time frame. It depends wherever we see the opportunity. That's where we take those trades on. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Once this 30 starts pushing up, breaking these highs, it breaking those daily highs and the session highs,
Mm-hmm.
most likely we're gonna see a nice continuation towards 4408.
For
That's
408.
going to be around more than 100 ticks. That's
You're
a lot.
right. That would be great. I'm putting it right there. If I could do 100 pip, that would be a good one for me. I will get in your class tomorrow, you know?
Yeah, yeah. All right.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Guys, make sure you guys are tapping the screen, guys. Tap the screen. My God.
Please, please, what? FX, you can't be serious. What? Ashy, please, what? All right. Do you have any other question, Mr. Hughes? Because we might gonna give somebody else chance to come here. Okay, bye. All right, the 30 is flipping, pushing up. Once it starts breaking this highs, if you want to do the stops at BE at that point, you can do it. Otherwise, I'm gonna right now the break even is risky. Why? Because I'm waiting for the volume. Once we see a nice volume coming in, it's gonna give a nice push at that point. Okay, easy peasy, guys. Easy peasy. Make trading easy for you. Okay, it's breaking its highs. If you want to do the BE at this point, it's totally up to you. Okay, because if it hits your SL, don't be a crybaby. Don't it hit my SL. Where is my paste? Where is the snake eye? We need snake eye right now. Here she is.
Yes, Snake Eye.
Am I dreaming? Or are you dreaming me? The walls, they're melting. I feel awake.
Here she comes. Don't worry, guys. She's here. She's
The
here.
world opens wider. Time bends.
Snake eye is here
Nothing
in the
is
house.
real.
Mr. Hoggis, that question was very weird. You coming
No, I'm
here,
dreaming.
you said
I
for
don't want to
very
wake
long
up.
time, right?
Voices echo.
And you said,
Inside
and you
this
asking me if this
mind.
strategy is profitable or not.
What
So
if this
these two
dream
are like
is more real than life?
very different questions. Like it's a conflict between these questions. If you're coming here for a while, you probably know like how we trade, if the strategy works or not works, right? Or you're not coming here
Am I
long
dreaming?
enough here,
Or are
so
you
that's why
dreaming
you
me?
don't know if it works or
The
not.
walls, they're melting. I feel awake. Close my eyes. The
I
world
mean,
opens
it's not
wider.
like I'm taking the
Time bends.
screenshots and then sending later.
Nothing is
All
real.
the trades we take, it's live, it's in front of everybody. The results are here. Once the price starts pushing up, that's where everybody's gonna
Nothing
ask,
is real.
Sir, can we re-enter? Can we take the buy? Can we do this? Can we do that? But Snake Eye said no. She's like no. Alright, now price is pushing up. There is no business for it to come down. If it come down, if this 30 flip, I want out. Risk free, already up what? 40, 50 ticks? More than enough for you guys. More than enough. Tikka-taka-ta. Tikka-taka-ta. 40, 50 ticks. But there is still more incoming. But first you need to learn how you can protect your capital. That's the number one rule. Logic, please. There's no logic. I just feel like taking the buys. I took the buy. That's it. Remember, this is just the starting of the session. We have very keen range towards upside. Also, we have very keen range towards downside. Even if it take you out, don't worry. The next hourly is going to give you much better setup.
Prescribe the sound.
14 more minutes for this hourly closure. Alright, it's about to take me out. On the next hourly flip, that's going to be even more confirmation, because the higher time frame you go, the more confirmation you're going to get. Out at PE to partial, okay. Nothing to worry about. This is just the beginning, okay? Because the way it dropped, most likely we can expect some more volume incoming during the total open. So the next candle, you know, that brings the most amount of volume in the markets. on the call to ask those questions? Who should we ban today? I like when you label your 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minute on your screen. Okay, thank you. Drop to door. Are you here in the chat? You're the lucky one today. Mr. Drop to door. Are you in the chat? You're the chosen one today. Please type yes if you're in the chat. I have a surprise for you. No, I think he's not here. Oh, oh, oh. Stay tuned, know what I'm about to do, but he or she is not here. Stay tuned. So yeah, if you come back, then yeah, let's go. All right, 10 more minutes. This hour is about to close. On the flip of the next hourly, there's going to be some crazy buys incoming. Same, the target is the same. The trade is going to be the same. The entries might be the same. Okay. So yeah, at that time, full pot buys, because the price once the new hourly flip and starts pushing up and breaking these highs, it means what? It's breaking the daily highs, it's breaking the session highs. That's the most amount of volume coming in the market. Most likely what we see, the price continue pushing towards upside. Okay, 8 more minutes, 8 more minutes. Why? Why everybody is so quiet? Guys, chat. No, I'm talking to this chat. Everybody, I don't know, like they're scared, or like, are you in the trade, or what's wrong with you guys? Or are you all bots? Or are you guys scared to get banned here? Because you know, whenever you're gonna open your mouth, you're probably gonna say something. Uh, it was that last guy. What? About last guy, what? No, he mentioned somebody from the VIP. So whoever he linked with the VIP in, maybe I have an idea who he talking about, but yeah, let's see. Okay, here comes the hourly is maybe the next hourly didn't even gonna give the lower wick and just boom, keep continue pushing it up. That can also very possible. He messed up the mood. Why? Mr. Huggies, you see here what you do? This chat, they're like, that guy ruined our mind. Not sure if we're gonna take you in the VIP as well. I'm sorry, Mr. Huggies. You might not able to join that as well. Would be great. Would be great. What? The push? Yeah. Okay. 6 more minutes. Be right back. Okay. 4 hour flipped. Daily also flip. Is it a AMF candle right there? Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, 2 more minutes for this hourly closure as well. Let's see. Or it is going to get ITL, which is internal liquidity. Price already take the external liquidity, which is the previous highs and lows. Now the internal liquidity, which is the FVGs and OBs. Orbs, orbs. Okay, yeah. Janky hourly, yeah. Still hold tight, guys. This might be that manipulation. Manipulation. Hmm. The cells, I'm only gonna look for cells if the price gives me a nice closure below this zone. Okay, that's the point where I'm gonna be like, okay, the price is still gonna push down, still gonna drop. If it stays above, most likely we're gonna see push up. Okay, so hourly is about to close in 50 seconds, and the next one on the flip of, even if it closed like this, the next one come down still respecting this current 4 hour. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna wait for that lower wick and then boom, something like this. Even better entry for the buy side. Sells are only valid if the price breaks this lows. That's it. Break this, give a nice closure, and that's where we can expect some buys. Okay, so this is going to be my second bullet. First is almost at BE. The second one is, let's see, I see a drop. uh Maybe you need to test out your eyes, Mr. Mark. No, it can drop too, yes. You're right. But the drop is coming if it starts breaking this lows. Okay. Watch it fly with no wick. Hmm, let's see. Okay, now it's pushing down on the, yeah. Let's wait. Let's wait and observe the price. Because the 4 hour and daily is flipping. So we need to be careful before taking the buys. Okay. Let it come down a little bit more, and if the price starts rejecting from here, then on the break of this current hourly, we're gonna place our buys there. Okay, if it give us any chance, of course. I hope it makes a wick. Let's see. All right, so I'm waiting for that flip and that wick at this one. Okay, breaking the lows right now. Is this that liquidity candle for the price to now starts pushing up? That that ITL candle, EMF, yeah. On the flip of this hourly, Full port buys. Let's see, let's see. But if this 15 gives a closure below their zone, then full port sells. What happened? I hit liquidation. Yes, sir. AMF, Mr. Spark. Now, Spark, it liquidated your account. Now it will push up. Crazy. On the flip of this hourly, actually, on the break of this current hourly, once it starts breaking its highs, this current hourly, I'm gonna place those buys there. Okay, now it's about to flip. Okay, hourly is flipping. Wait for it to until it break its highs for taking those buys. And once it starts pushing up, this wick fill and further push towards upside can come. Easy peasy. Okay, now it's breaking its highs. That's where I'm taking the entry. Okay, I'm getting into the buys right now. This is going to be some solid buys. Bro, is the liquidity? Yes, I am. Thanks to me. Thanks to me if you're making some profit. Because market is taking my money and giving it to you. Wait until it starts breaking this session highs. Then you're going to be my liquidity. What's VC? Voice call? Video call or video call? Oh, video call. Yes. Pretty Lucy. Let me see if. Oh, this is just okay. Nothing. Ah, nothing. Lucy, at least post some spicy videos, you know? We have some fun. This is, you're not gonna get any clients just like this. Let me give you this advice. You need to post something on that, and then, you know, maybe Teza or Spark give you some subscription money on your blue page. Okay, now it's pushing up. So, Mr. Where's that liquidity guy? What's the name? Berkey, Mr. Berkey. Now, who's the liquidity here? Who's the liquidity here, man? Tell me. Just wait, just wait. Once, wait for it to break this highs. Wait for it to break this highs. Then you will see who is the liquidity here. And please stay here when the price starts going towards our direction. Don't just run away. Spicy video. Yeah. Because usually people comment and then they once they see the it's working, they just run away. The music, my guy, cruel and unusual punishment. Cruel. Oh, you want me to change it? All right, man. I can change it. You can just say, man, change it. I will change it. Don't be so rude to me, man. I'm just an innocent guy who just like to take liquidity trades. INTL. No. ITL. I just like to take ITL. That's it. 15 is about to close in 3 minutes. It looks like okay, a nice rejection from there. Same with the 4 hour flipping. Daily is pushing, flipping upside. Yes. Let's see. So far, it looks good though. So far. But again, anything can happen at any given time because we are trading as a liquidity in the market right now. No volume? No, it will come. Shallows, it will come. It's just waiting for us to close the live, then it will come. That's only for morning and VIPs only. They these freeloaders, they shouldn't know our secret. Yeah, that's our secret sauce in trading. Where's that liquidity guy? Yo, liquidity. Yo, liquidity. Where's that? Mr. Who? I think no. Now I'm gonna keep it. Tim, why don't you give me a name? Why don't you give me a name? What should I play? What should I play? Whatever you said, man. You don't have to send Galaxy, man. Just tell me whatever you want. Speaking of Galaxy, is my gallery filled? Okay. Mm-hmm. So it's filled, right? Hey. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yo, the liquidity. Yo, the liquidity. Yo, the liquidity. Hey, thank you. Isn't my okay? Wait, let me see if the gallery is filled or no. Yeah, it looks no. Okay, yeah, yeah, guys. Make sure you fill up this poor guy gallery. Okay. Yo, liquidity. Yo, liquidity. Yo, liquidity. Now he's not here. See, now he's gonna be gone because he is the liquidity for us. Okay. Yeah, Tim, you didn't tell me. Okay, is this the name? Mike. What? Mike Malagis. I hope it's better. Breakin, what was your song name, man? I forget it. That we used to play. Your favorite one, Malagis. Okay, is this? Is he making songs just for himself? No, I think it's Tim. That's why he said, or maybe it's his friend or somebody. Who knows? It's Christian rap, not for everybody. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, all right. Oh, it's a Christian rap. Okay. Mm. Break in. What was your song name? It's pretty big now. It's not. Okay, all right, all right. Break in. What was that song name? I think uh, Tim needs that. I forget the name of that song. I don't need mentions and followers. Then what are you doing here on the YouTube singing? Guys, don't listen to these guys. They say in front, oh, I don't need this, I don't need that. Meanwhile, they are struggling to get those things. Okay. Bregan is not giving me the name of the song on purpose, you know. Punjabi, okay. Trap hai Goldabi? Yes, Mr. Critch Critch. It is trap. It is trap. But we like to be in the trap. I wanna play something slow and smooth. Any suggestions, guys? No. That's only for New York session. Mm. Mhm. Maybe at the beginning you don't like it, but since I keep playing that song in every New York session, now you're like, alright. Play the song. Sorry, y'all, heads up. It's only for New York session. Today, um, I'm not sure. Maybe you know kebab, right? Kebab, yeah. So it's a kebab sandwich kind of thing. Yeah, yeah. So everything is like homemade. So we're gonna make the kebabs at home, and then we're gonna make in a sandwich, in a bread maybe. Mm. Curry lamb with white rice. That's good. Mm. Yeah. So you have grapefruit with noodles with spaghetti? Okay. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yesterday I ate like chow mein. Do you know what's chow mein? The Chinese noodle with some chicken inside. Jin probably know. No, he's Korean, but it's same thing. No, like the food wise, don't they have like similarities? You also have Korean, right? By heart. I don't know what you're doing here. You probably, yeah. No. Why? Mm, 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 mm-hmm, mm. I think Sparky is into it. One time he mentioned about Dragon Ball Z and all that. So. Toxic. You're calling Spark toxic? Why? No, I'm not sure. I didn't even watch that. I didn't even know. Spark, is there anything new coming with that Dragon Ball Z? I think I see a poster. I saw a poster, or I don't know, maybe like they were saying maybe in 2027 there's something coming out with that. Yeah, yeah. I think it's more like boys show, right? Yeah, yeah. Mhm. Look, Tessa, he's a okay, guys. Chat. How many of you love Dragon Ball Z? Please type in the chat. Let's see. And whatever kitty you like, what show you like, the anime one. Let's see how many people know that show and how many people love Dragon Ball Z and how many people like your show. Let's see. Naruto. Okay, so it's the okay. Who's Zoro? A character. Okay, Dragon Ball Z lover is here.
Be released around 6 months after
Who is
six
that
months.
on
I
your
don't know.
profile picture? Is that from Kaiju number 8? Is that Kaiju number 8?
Kaiju number 8? No,
No.
I'm talking about Vinland Saga.
No, no, no. I was looking at your profile picture. I was asking what is
My
that an
profile
anime?
picture is Messi, Lionel Messi. My profile picture?
Mm-hmm.
Are, are you talking about on TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Lionel Messi.
Who is that?
Yeah, you don't know Lionel Messi?
I may. Hold on. I've watched so many animes. You have no idea.
No, I'm not talking about anime. He's a footballer.
He's a
I like football.
footballer? I didn't
Yeah,
know no football players. I thought we was talking about anime.
you, but
Oh,
you
he
don't
is, huh? My son know about him.
you don't know Lionel Messi, right?
Nope.
No?
No.
Messi's a famous football player.
Oh my god. He's
Sorry,
the
I do
GOAT.
not watch that type. The only sport I watch is boxing, guys. Like, I'm sorry. Oh, here he go. I'm about to block everybody. How many people in here? 150. Yeah, everybody gotta go.
You like what? You said what? You like what?
I only watch boxing.
Well, okay, that's great. Then you know Muhammad Ali.
Huh?
You know Muhammad Ali.
Of course I know Muhammad Ali.
Okay, that's like he's the Muhammad Ali of football, right? Lionel Messi.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, he's
Do
the
you know
greatest.
AFX?
Like there are a lot of.
Do you know
No,
AFX?
I don't. I know Timu Drake.
You don't think AFX look like Drake?
Yes, he looks like Drake. Have you seen Drake?
Yeah, yeah.
He looks like Drake.
He looks like from
He
a
looks
side
like
angle.
me.
He looks like you. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Looks like Drake. All he gotta say is, "Do you love me? Say you never wanna leave right beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you." Yeah, that's what he
Yeah,
needs.
Asif, Kitty, Asif is asking you a question
What is Asif
in the
asking me? Hold
chat.
on.
In the chat, you wanna?
Do you know
Team
Rona?
Drake. Oh no, hell no.
He's
He's
a
better
famous.
than Drake, bro.
He's a famous boxer, Ronaldo. Have you heard about him? No.
Wait, no. Wait, I'm wait. Oh my god, I'm sorry. They cracking me up, yo. Like they're really cracking me. Okay, wait. What did you ask me else? Wait, hold on. I can't. My eyes are watery. Hold on. Okay, wait. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay. Asif said, "Do you know Ronaldo, famous boxer?" Yeah, yeah, I know Renard. Renard.
Any English words start and with the day?
What?
Do you think any
All right. Anyways, no.
I just missed my entry on Golo. Hell no.
Wait, is it pushing
I
up
just
or
thought,
going? Oh,
yeah, it's pushing up.
Kitty,
I have to buy it from
don't you
90.
think this guy he sound like exactly Rajveer,
yeah, he does sound like Roger.
right?
Rajveer, even bro, I'm from and I belong to that region, even though I'm living in Brazil right now, but I'm from that side. It's because a lot of Asian people have.
No, are you from India?
No, I'm not from India. I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah. We used to have somebody here. He's not anymore. He getting. I think he got kidnapped or
bro, the Asian accent, even though the voices are just the same,
yeah,
I can tell like our accent, our voices, like very different from the English one. So a lot of people from our side, from Asian side, from India and Pakistan, even those from Bangladesh, we have the same type of accent, same voices, same vocals, but
okay. Now the price is breaking the daily highs.
yeah.
Is this the push coming? What we're waiting for? Maybe.
Yes, of course.
Yes, of
I
course.
guess, yeah, of course. I planned to buy it from 90s and now it's 100 pips up and I just missed my entry. Remember I told you the fib levels, like when you like let the market to come on your level and then go for the buys or other sells. But now I'm just following your strategy. Like when I saw 15-minute flip, I just straight up the buys. Go for the buys and then just target the highs. For example, if I'm targeting 1 hour high, so I try to buy the flip and then just target the high of that candle. It's a profitable strategy. I learned it from you, by the way.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you wanna tell this Mr. Hugis who was asking me if your strategy is profitable.
Yeah, your strategy is like 100%. Like if you master this, it's 100% profitable. Like you have to read the flip of the candle and on a scalp side or on a maybe swing side, it's profitable. I don't know if like people first they should uh, get some knowledge how to read the market, how to read the candles, and then they come to the side. But a lot of people just coming directly to know about, oh, what's your strategy, blah blah blah, and some very silly things. But first they have to analyze and get to know more about what's the trading style of that a person, or the what's that strategy they're like employing. So at the end, it's profitable. It depends on how you analyze it, and for me, it's profitable. Like I'm following you since my friend told me about you, and I'm profitable now after this.
That's good. That's good. That's nice. Because most people they come here with the wrong mindset. They come here just to follow the signals, but not to learn anything. And if you're coming here, you're learning, right? Same with Mr. Spark. He's very, very smart, very intelligent. He's business owner as well. He's learning.
Mm-hmm.
He tried it out all the other strategies, because this is how you're gonna tell the difference. You should try, I would say, other strategies as well, and then you try this one, because then you're like, oh man, I was wasting my time on that complicated things which still don't work. But if you see on the other side, all the strategies, they basically use the same concepts with the different names. So
Yeah, exactly.
yeah,
Right, you're right. You're right. And you just have to focus on your basic. Rather, you um, at first I used to trade some ICT concept, SMC, and then I put a lot of indicators, and my chart is like very messy. Now it's just a clean, and I just marked my levels, and now I'm just trying to buy the flip of the candle. Like I start learning, I just start learning this concept from you,
man, it's
and
gonna
now it's,
change your life. I'm telling you,
yeah,
it's
sure.
very easy.
I just buy it from the 15 minute of the flip, and I'm in profit right now.
Okay, guys, now this is risk free. We're over 100 ticks from this trade. That liquidity guy is still here. Yo, the liquidity. Are you here? No, he's not here. See, this guy is just gonna come, messed up your trade, messed up your mind. All you have to do is believe in your setup, believe in you, trust on yourself. That's it. They only gonna come here if it hit our SL, if we're in the drawdown, then you're gonna see all these cockroaches. They're gonna come out from their, I don't know, wherever they come from. What's your TP, bro? My TP is to the moon. 4425. So yeah, you're not gonna hear anything from that. Price literally push up around 120 ticks. We can still expect more. The 4 hour closure is coming, and this is what we're discussing before we start our today's session. That looking at this 4 hour, uh, where's that? Okay, looking at this 4 hour, how it's about to close, right? And it's close a nice, I mean, first, yes, it do this AMF candle, create that. Now the price is gonna easily starts pushing up. This 4 hour gonna close bullish. The next one, same thing, lower weight, and further pushing towards upside. Easy peasy, nicely, without any FOMO. And whenever you see the price is breaking its highs, most likely it can keep continue to towards that side. It's easy peasy. But it's up to you. However you wanna make your trading. If you wanna make it difficult, then yes, you can use multiple indicators on your chart. Or if you wanna trade stress-free, more relaxed, no worry about losing the money or making the money. Because when you add more indicators in your chart, it will conflict with your strategy as well. Most people, yes, there are very few people I see in this industry that they know what they're doing. They know how to use Fibonacci, they know how to use EMAs, they know how to use all these indicators. But most of, I would say 99% 90% people have no idea how to use it properly. They just see, oh, this is the EM is crossing, this is this happening, this that happening, and then boom, they keep losing.
Yeah, in my opinion, you're right. Like when you make it like more simple, you become profitable. And the
Exactly.
people who are here just talking shit about you and they're just um talk some very
You think I care?
Who's
yeah
talking shit? Who's talking shit?
yeah, but it's good you're not like taking care much, but
Yeah.
like I really appreciate you because you're doing the hard work. You are here to teach people, not like for example if it's either me or some other guys who are here to learn, even though you accept their requests and talking with them and teaching them the strategy and some other stuff. So I really appreciate this, is because I haven't seen some people who are here to teach some concepts and teach people like to make it like more simple rather than making it more complex. It's really good. It's because
Yeah, and trading live with the real markets,
yeah,
it's it it, it it's a big work. It's a hard work. You need a lot of work to do because
it,
you know everybody is watching, and if you're wrong,
yeah,
like all these people, they're gonna start doing,
yeah, the negative
the
things about you. Oh, you're not good. It's SL.
but
Oh,
that's what you sign up when you like
yeah.
start doing the live streams and all that. This is you sign up for this. This is an agreement for the, I would say, your trading and your lives, that you need to deal with all these people as well. Yes, but
Mm.
also on the other hand, I'm happy that I'm trying to help all these other people. Like for example, you've been trading for a while, and you come here and you try other strategies as well, and this is how you meet new people, and you know, okay, what's good, what's bad. So now you're coming here, you see, okay, this strategy is working, profitability. You don't have to pay anything. You just come here, watch, learn, ask good questions. That's it. That's all I want. I don't want your money. It doesn't matter how much you make or how much you lose. It did not belongs to me, right? So I'm happy to help you, man. That's good.
Yeah, agreed, 100%. Like for me, I always do my own research first. By profession, I'm a researcher as well. But whatever I do, I research about it first, and then I try to learn what other people trying to teach. And it's a good practice. Rather, you criticizing someone, oh, your strategy is not profitable. No, bro, you have to learn the concept. You have to learn the theory behind it. And rather criticizing the people, you just trying to focus on your work and learn and do your hard work will give you some good results.
Again, it depends on the person. No matter, okay, you see here, this strategy is very simple, but if the other person, he don't want to put any work, he's still going to lose money in this same strategy. And that's what I see when people come with the different backgrounds. For example, all these IC traders and all that, the FPGs and all that, it worked. I agreed, like, I never say it didn't work. The only thing is they don't know how to make it work. That's the issue with them. Like that's why I try to put them on the call, and they are very confused. Like they cannot explain what they're looking for, what is the FEG, what is this, what is that. They are very confused, and that's why they're losing. It's not the strategy. Strategies work, but they're the one who cannot make it work. Same with this one. If I teach you everything about this, you still lose it because you didn't make it work, you know. What did
Yeah,
you say?
exactly.
Yeah, what did you say about the next candle? I missed it. What about the next candle? I didn't say anything about the next candle. So yeah, we're the good liquidity today.
To be very honest, I just lost $1,000 in a
Mm-hmm.
pre-market. Then I just used your strategy, covered that loss, and made the $1,000 again.
Yeah,
So everything is based on like what you have learned and you apply that knowledge in the market or in some other fields, and it will give you some very good results.
yeah, definitely, absolutely.
be very honest, bro. I have never seen guys like you with this type of mindset. Is because a lot of the guys they are just scamming people. They are just letting them know buy this account, do this, do this. They are not forcing them to learn first and then come to the market. It's because the people from our side they have this kind of mindset. Like you just
Quick
um
money, easy money.
yeah, quick money, easy money. So it's not like a quick one. You just have to do the hard work, and the quick money goes quickly as well. So
Yeah, exactly. Absolutely. And do you know how you can mark your zones?
yes, I know.
Mm-hmm.
I know how to mark liquidity. First, I mastered the liquidity levels, then I mastered the fib, and now I'm just trade my own levels.
Okay.
And now I'm applying your strategy as well. Your strategy works very perfect because before that I didn't know about this, like how to buy a flip. Now I know how to buy a flip.
Mm.
So it's good for me. Like I can buy a reversal, I can catch a lot of reversals, and then I can have a very good entry from a very bottom, and then I just hold the trade for a very long time. On the other side, I'm doing on the spot as well. So I just hold very long entries. I'm not doing the live on the New York session. Are you?
No, we do live, but that's only for our members in the Discord.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
In the Discord?
yeah, that's private. Like it's a subscription based, so you need to pay for that to be
Ah,
in the
okay.
session. So it's more like a chill environment. Like whatever questions you have, like you can ask in there. Like it's more like focus on the learning and the trading. Here you see all these random people in the chat and here and there, and you cannot focus too much on this.
Yeah, yeah. I'm here for a chill as well because I watch you. Like before that, I watch you just for my entertainment, but now I just start learning as well because my friend, he's from America, so he told me about you. I don't know if you remember. There's a guy named with a Z.
Z
Winnie.
ZEE.
Yes, yes.
That's a male or female?
It's a male. He's a
Male.
male, my friend.
All right. I'm not sure about the Z, but I know one
It's like
guy.
the time when you initially start the TikTok.
Okay.
He's watching you from that day.
Okay.
So he told me about you,
Hmm.
and then I installed the TikTok because I'm not a fan of TikTok, but now I'm using it for just for an education purpose. So it's good. It's good. Like I just on this time, I just came back from my lab, and then I just started watching you to learn your strategy and some other stuff, and then for my entertainment as well. Like
Yeah.
rather doing some other shit, I just here to learn. Yeah.
Yeah. So see, it depends. Like TikTok can be used for the good purpose, for the learning purpose. You can also make money on that and learn a skill from that. Or you can waste your time and watch, all our desis like they're, oh, let's do the battle, let's do this, let's do like they're in the wrong mindset of like they're just consumers. Like they just keep scrolling and watching all these stupid videos and spending hours and hours, and they don't realize that right now, but maybe after a while they will. So it
Yeah, that's
depends
a
on.
mindset.
Yeah.
As I have told you, like, it's a mindset of the people from our side. They are not using it for to educate someone. They are just using it like to entertain someone and get benefited from that.
Yeah.
That's why the kind of these apps are should be banned from that region. Like people are here to educate you rather to entertain you, even though you can entertain people, but in a good way.
Yeah,
So you can educate and entertain both.
absolutely. All right, nice 4 hour closure.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go sleep because I have to attend my classes in the morning. So
Take your bed.
see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care. All right, hourly, nice closure. People who missed, how many of you are still in the bias and how many of you missed it? Tell me. Fana, hi. Hello. Missed it. Sandy, why you missed it? All right. Jay Voxy missed it. Okay. Susie also missed it. Very nice. Why you missed it is because that liquidity comment scared to enter. But Sandy, why you scared to enter? For what reason? If you see, very nice. Probably there's, yeah. No, Sandy. So if you see your setup and you still didn't take it, then you have issue. If you didn't see your setup and you didn't take it, it's absolutely fine. Because sometimes, yes, I wait for those wicks and all that. So for example, this hourly, I said wait for that lower wick and then on the flip of that we're gonna get into, right? If it didn't give the lower wick, I'm not gonna get in, even though the price push up 200, 300 ticks. If I still didn't take it, that's fine with me. Because I entered and the candle took me out. Okay. Then why you didn't give a second try? If let's say you take a buy, price come down, take you out. Why didn't you take the same entry again? Why didn't you try to give a second shot? Yes, the liquidity comment also impact my decision. You see, that's why I love those cockroaches and I like to smash them with a with something, because it really messed up your mind, man. These people, they don't realize this. Like they come like people like you or who don't have enough strong mindset. Man, it really messed up. I just take it very less contract, only make four very less contract 450. Mr. Imran, Imran bhai, hosh mein ho. You're making 450 bucks, and let's say if we're doing live for 2 hours now, how much you're making? More than $200 per hour. Two GCs. Mm. So full pot. By the way, guys, if you're new, make sure you hit the follow button. Okay, help us to reach 25K, because then Spark is gonna do 24-hour live. And how many likes we have? What the hell? All right, I was about to give another entry. But okay. If we hit 50K likes, there is another entry is coming. And most of people, they already know what I'm gonna say. But for these freeloaders, less for you. Let's make it 30K, right? Let's make it 30K. If we hit 30K likes, uh, in next what, 6 minutes, we have 6 minutes, we need 11K more, right? If we hit 11K more likes in the next 6 minutes, the new beautiful entry is waiting for you. 30K likes for you. How, Sandy? So yeah, if no 30K hit in the next 5 minutes, no entry. You can go watch those liquidity sweeper guys who sweep the liquidity with a broom, and we take it. All right, my DJ is back. She's here. She's like, okay, Snake Eye is here. Team, she's here. Are you happy now? Yeah. Team, she lives in Arizona. Do you need her number? Now team is happy. Now team is happy. He's like, yes. Okay, 4 more minutes, and we need 8K. Let's see. Okay, 3 more minutes. Let's see. One more minute. Guys, take it easy. Take it easy. Relax. Don't hit 30K. Relax. 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 Take it easy, guys. Take it easy. Take it easy. Because then you're gonna make me stay more. Ah, 20 seconds and we hit 30. Why? Why? Okay, Paji almost 30. Yes, okay. Okay, Sandy Paji, okay. Thank you. All right. So the thing is, there's no trade. Good night. Bye. Okay, April Fool. All right. So what we need to do here? Very simple. And most of people they already know. Same thing if you see the 4 hour closure, hourly closure, it close like you see the zone I marked here, it close above. So that's a clear indication for the price for continuation further from here, which is around 150 ticks more. So this is for the people who missed this setup, who didn't take this buys. If you're already in the buys and you do the break even, you don't have to add more. Don't get greedy. You don't have to do anything. Okay? Even lock out your account and get the hell out of here. This is for the people who missed this the first setup, who didn't take this buys, right? For some reason, for some cockroach or whatever. What you need to do here, you still need to wait for the lower wick, because if you see the price, it literally push up from here to here around 300, 3500, almost 300, right? Takes. Now what you need to do here is wait for the lower wick, and if you see the 4 hour also gives a closure, which is very good. Wait for the current 4 hour. If it gives you a nice lower wick, and then on the flip of that you can use the same I would say same trade idea on that, looking for the bias towards 44.25. Okay, but you need to wait for the lower wick. Why? The price already push up more than 300 ticks. At some point it needs to retrace, and retracements are very healthy because that shows you, okay, there's a once they flip, it means there's a confirmation for the continuation towards upside. Okay, so at this point you cannot take any trade. Once it pushed down maybe 30, 40, 50% retracement, and then on the flip of that you can take the buys. Why? Because again the price is gonna go starts breaking those highs. Yes, there's not enough volume, but it might come, who knows. Okay, so you need to risk it to take the biscuit. So this trade might be look like something like that. You can place on the highs of that this candle, and you're gonna place the stops wherever it comes down, maybe around this zone. You're gonna place your stops here. You're gonna, once it starts flipping, you can look for the buy side towards up. Okay, so that is the logic behind this trade. If you miss the first one, I missed that opportunity. Woke up an hour ago. Yes, Mr. Sparrow or Shadow, I don't know what you write in your name, but yes, if you missed it, man, you snooze, you lose. Okay, so yeah, you get the idea what we're looking here. Okay, so it needs to come little bit around here, and then on the flip of that, that's going to be some good solid bias for towards upside. Okay, and to be honest, the stop and the, I mean, risk to reward, even though I think it's very irrelevant when it comes to trading. Most people they're like, oh, it should be 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 3 risk to reward. You see here, even though we don't care about the risk to reward, we still make an average more than 2 to 3. And once you do the break even, then your risk to reward is infinite, right? Because at that point you're not going to lose anything. The only thing is you're going to make more and more and more. Okay, because if risk to reward, why it's bad for you, because now you're forcing yourself, right? So let's say if you take the buys from, so let's say you take the buys here, right? And you're like, okay, I'm gonna place my stops at this current low, and I'm gonna use my risk to reward for, let's say, 1 to uh, 1 to 3. Okay, so I'm gonna lose 500, but I'm gonna make 1500 at that point. But what you're gonna do if the price push up, um, you're risking $500, the price push up and you're up 1000, and your target is 1500. Okay, price is up 1000 up here, you're like, no, I want to do the 1 2 3, otherwise it hit my SL. Price go up, you didn't do the break even, you didn't take the partial, price come down and hit your 500, you were up 1000, but now you are negative minus 500. You know what I'm talking? So yeah, it really messed up. Okay, and I'll be right back. Be right back. Okay. Yeah, all right, take care. Yes, after two GCs, you worked really hard. You need to sleep. All right, take care. Take care. Good night. All right, all right, all right, all right. Good night. Bye. Hey guys, 2 minutes break. All right, we're back. So the hourly and the 4 hour is flipping right now. Wait for it. Once it starts breaking its highs, the stop loss is going to be the below current 4 hour, and looking for the continuation towards upside. The zone is 4425, so that's around 150 ticks from here. Okay, so if you willing to take risk it, to take best it, you're welcome. Feel like the move already happened? Yes, Mark, the move for the session is done. This is for all those risky traders who's like, okay, we missed the first one, we're gonna give it a second try to this trade. Okay, now the only one thing which is missing and which is the main ingredient in our strategy is volume. That's it. Okay, since there is slow volume, we're gonna play some slow track. But yeah, once the 4 hour and this hourly starts flipping, most likely we're gonna see something out of this move. Right now, we're still waiting for that flip. Okay, full port. No, Tim, this is not the trade where you're gonna do the full port. It's even though if it push up, but it's gonna be a very slow rhythmic. It's not like a, the volatility candle like in New York session what we experience. It's gonna be a slow poison death. Easy port? Yes, easy port. Exactly. Ooh. Slow, slow, slow. Again, the buys are still valid once it starts breaking the size. Okay. Yeah. At this point, all you have to do is wait because there is not enough volume. So when there's slow volume, you need to wait longer for your setups. That's why we try to take trades during the high volume time because then you will get your results very soon. Either it go towards your direction or it hit your SL and it take you out. Okay. Okay, 4 hour is about to flip, break these highs. Once you see it's breaking the highs, get in. You can place your stops at the high. Okay, all right. Let's get in. Let's see. All right, the stops are current 4 hour lows and hourly lows, expecting the price to push further upside. Okay, easy peasy. Now, if this flip and push down, break these lows, you probably need to close your trade. Okay, don't marry with this trade. This is not the last trade for uh, this week or this month or day. You still have London session. You still have New York session. Once you see, okay, it push up around 40-50 ticks at that point, or you see this previous 4 hour, I mean not previous, this the second one. Once this current 4 hour starts breaking this highs, at that point you can do your stops at break even for the continuation. But right now it's too early to do that. Okay, it's gonna do a little bit drama here in this because this is like price already push up too much, so now it needs to rest a little bit. You know, when you travel long on long route, at some point you need to stay, stop and take a break. So that's what's happening right now. Tweet, what tweet? Okay, I have paused the 50% tariff against Canada. That's okay, this one, huh? Yeah, he's active now. So okay. uh if you guys notice one thing, that this week we don't have news at all, and everybody know, a genuine trader know, the market moves on the news, the fundamentals, right? And if the market is not moving, nobody's making money. And if nobody's making money, how are they gonna put that money into economy and all that, right? So it's a complete cycle. And to move the market, you can use one thing, even though it's nothing, even though there's out of like nowhere. If you know what I'm talking about, you won't disagree with this. Tony, I don't know what you're saying. uh, How many of you are in the buys? Type 1 in the chat if you're in the buys, type 2 in the chat if you're in the sells. Let's see. Okay, buy. All right. All right. Most of you are in the buys. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So once you see it's breaking these highs, do the break even at that point. I mean, right now you can still do it, but it's too early. It might take you out because the price is still uh, doing its work right now. It's fighting with the buyers and sellers, right? Once it breaks this, then it's clear indication. Okay, now the price is gonna go up. If you do the break even, most likely it might not take you out and continue push up. But if you're like very scared, oh, I don't want to lose this trade, you can just simply do the break even right now. And if you see the price is what, 20-30 ticks, yeah, all we need like maybe 10 to 15 ticks more, and then the BE is safe at that point. Okay. This trade is exclusively for you guys who like do the tap to 30Ks. This is for you. Okay, I didn't post in the signal. I didn't uh, tell anybody, just for you. Now if you see the risk to reward, it almost 1 to 1, almost, right? But we want more. We're greedy. We don't want 1 to 1. We want to make 1 to 100, 1 to 10, 1 to 50. Thank you. Bye. No worries, Sashi. Can we see 50K taps, 50K likes? If we want the price to push up, can we? Is it possible or no? Or is it too much to ask? The amount of people we have, it might take what, like 5 minutes. If everybody just start doing the tap right now, in next 5 minutes we can easily hit 50K likes, because that shows that okay, you're liking it, you're loving it. It might make me stay more here. Otherwise, I'm done. I already, what, my entry was here, so I already make like around 200 ticks. That's more than enough for me. I can call it a night right now, like, but I'm staying here for you guys, you know. Okay, it's very close to break that. So at this point, uh, how much it's up? Around 40 ticks. Okay, give it. You can do the BE right now. It's slow market. Okay, if you're up 40-50 ticks, just do the BE and see if the price push up. Tap that hang screen. Yeah, lazy yes. Mike, what you saying? On what? So this is the issue with trading in the low volume time. You just need to sit for very, very long time. Okay. Price can still push up, but it's gonna take hours. Meanwhile, guys, do you have any questions or no? Out BE, okay. Yeah, you don't have to, Makina, you don't have to worry about it, okay? If you out at BE, that's still a big win. You should be happy that you didn't lose or blow your account, which most of the time you do, if you remember, right? So BE is still a win in a sense that you still have another session, another chance to take the trade. I mean, yes, if there's not enough volume, what you can expect, right? I Before taking this trade, I say, man, there is not enough volume. The only thing we're missing here is volume. Once we see the volume coming in, it's gonna keep pushing the price very, very further away. Okay. On NY, I could not hear you. Annie or Anani, right? Did you restart your Discord to join? Sometimes, yes, there are technical issues happen. So if it happens again, just restart, like just get out of the live for the new session and then restart your Discord and then join again. Yes, you did. Hmm? Okay. Yeah, sometimes Discord like to, choose random people to annoy them. Yeah, it's very, very slow, guys. Should we call it a night now? Nothing is happening, and I don't like wasting my time when there is no move in the market. What you guys say? Because you're not talking to me, you're not chatting with me, you're just sitting, staring at the screen and charts. Price is doing nothing. Okay, let's wait. Oh, sorry. Let's wait once it take out and then If it flip again to the bullish, I'm gonna call it a night, man. Yeah, it's not going anywhere, guys. It's just okay. Alright, guys, I'm gonna call it a night. Price is not moving at all. Uh, I have some other stuff to do. I'm gonna see you tomorrow in the Asian session, same time, same place, with the with the VIPs. We're gonna trade tomorrow together in the NY session. Okay. So take care, guys. Have a good night, Paji. Yeah, take care, Sandy. Yeah. See, like the move is basically done. The volume is tied. It's gonna range here, and then maybe after 2 3 hours, London session. That's where you're gonna see some volume incoming, and then you're gonna see a nice push or drop or whatever. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. Bye. See ya.